नमस्ते, मैं हूँ ईप्सा. There's a channel called Ipsa Education. We do some science and maths on this channel. आज हम कर रहे हैं केमिस्ट्री में टॉपिक कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. ठीक है, और भी हम कर चुके हैं कार्बन कंपाउंड्स पे एपिसोड्स. आज एक नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कार्बन कंपाउंड में से, दैट इज एल्केन, एल्कीन, एल्काइन. ओके, उसका ए पार्ट ले रहे हैं, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. Okay, first, we don't have to get scared by these names, by the similarity of their names, and oh God, क्या है, ऐसा नहीं होना है. बहुत आराम से हम धीरे धीरे करेंगे. I have written, we are doing only 4 small topics from this right now. In A part, we are doing only 4 small topics: their naming, their formulae, their mass or weight, and their type of bonding. All right. Okay. So what are alkanes? Suppose just we take alkane. What are an alkane? Compounds कर रहे हैं, मतलब कोई केमिस्ट्री की तो चीज़ होने वाली है. सब केमिस्ट्री कंपाउंड हैज़ टू बी देयर. नाउ alkanes are nothing but families नहीं होती हैं जैसे अपनी the families. So what happens in a family? There's a list of people. If you start from great father, great grandfather, then and then the smallest child. So there's a whole hierarchy, and there will be thousands of people in that family. ठीक है, पर उस फैमिली में सिमिलैरिटी क्या होती है? उस फैमिली में सिमिलैरिटी होती है कि उनका सरनेम सबका एक होता है. सपोज I take Sharma family. I don't mean to offend anybody, but suppose I take a Sharma family. So whatever the names are, Sita Sharma, Geeta Sharma, Manu Sharma, this Sharma, that Sharma. So it will be all Sharmas, but the first names of every person will be different. Okay, now they will have different ages, they will have different heights, they will have different weights, they will have things like these. There will be some similarities between them. They may look similar, some of them. Their temperaments may be similar, their habits उनकी सेम हो सकती है, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफरेंस तो सब में होता है. सब आइडेंटिकल नहीं हो जाते हैं कि बिल्कुल सब एक से लग रहे हैं. नो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सिमिलैरिटी होती है, थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क होता है. तो सेम थिंग हैपन्स विद अ फैमिली. एल्केन इज नथिंग बट अ फैमिली. ओके, like I said, there can be thousands and thousands of members in the family, but luckily we have to do only the first 10 members of this family. Only the first 10 members. Okay. Now, IUPAC has been very kind to us and fixed their names. First person का name, first person का surname. Okay. First person का surname क्या होगा? Ain. सेकेंड पर्सन का सरनेम क्या होगा? वो भी ये. अगर शर्मा फैमिली होती है तो whatever शर्मा, whatever गीता शर्मा, मंजू शर्मा, this शर्मा. So similarly, all the members of this alkane family will have the same surname Ain. Good. Now, like I was telling you, IUPAC has been very kind to us and fixed their first names also. अभी तो हमें सोचना होता है उसके छोटे बच्चे का नाम क्या था, उसके छोटे बच्चे का बड़े बच्चे का नाम क्या था. यू हैव टू थिंक, क्योंकि सबका अलग अलग होता है. इन्होंने फिक्स कर दिया. पहला जो जना है उसका नाम होगा, उसका फर्स्ट नेम होगा जैसा मेरा फर्स्ट नेम ईप्सा है, ऐसे उसका फर्स्ट नेम होगा मिथ। तो टोटल नाम क्या बन जाएगा, इंक्लूडिंग नेम, फर्स्ट नेम एंड सरनेम, इट विल बिकम मिथ एन, या फिर हम अगर फ्लो में बोलेंगे इट विल बी मीथेन। ठीक है, ऐसे आई प्रोनाउंस दिस इथ, प्रॉप, ब्यूट, पेंट, सिक्स्थ मेंबर का नाम होगा हेग्स, सेवेंथ मेंबर का नाम होगा हेप, ऑक्ट, नॉन एंड डेक. These are the names of the first 10 members, and that's all we have to study right now. So let's write the names. First member is this, second will be ethane, third will be propane, fourth will be butane. आप वहाँ से रेफर कर सकते हो. फोर्थ मेंबर इज ब्यूट. तो पूरा नाम क्या हो गया, ये फर्स्ट नेम और ये सर नेम ब्यूटेन. फिर एन तो लिख ही देते हैं, सर नेम्स तो पहले लिख ही देते हैं, उसमें क्या है, वो तो सब सेम ही होने वाले हैं. कितने हो गए, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 members of alkane family. This is the family whose larger name is alkane family, and the individual members of this family are these. Like this is hexane, this is heptane, this is octane, this is nonane, and this is decane. So these are the 10 members that we have to study from alkane family, whose first names are fixed depending on which member it is. If it is a fourth member, it has to be butane. हमें याद हो जाता है एक sequence. If it's the 10th member, it's decane. Ane is the surname. Okay, so we've done the naming of the alkane family. Now let's do the second part of it, which is the formula. अब ये कंपाउंड है, केमिस्ट्री तो चल ही रही है ना, सिर्फ फैमिली थोड़ा ना चल रही है, केमिस्ट्री चल रही है. ये कंपाउंड्स हैं सारे, जैसे वाटर होता है, या हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है, या सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, या पोटेशियम ऑक्साइड है, कुछ तो ये कंपाउंड है ना, तो दे विल हैव कोई ना कोई फॉर्मूला होगा उनका ना. इनका फॉर्मूला में सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है, दे हैव ओनली कार्बन्स एंड हाइड्रोजन्स. दीज आर द ओनली 2 things present in alkanes. Nothing else, no oxygen, no nitrogen, nothing else, only carbon and hydrogen. Okay, now there's something known as general formula. Okay, there's something known as general formula, which for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, this looks complicated but is very important, and it's not complicated at all. It's just not complicated. N मतलब क्या, C तो मतलब कार्बन, H मतलब हाइड्रोजन. ये तो क्लियर हो गया. ये हमने बात की थी, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ओनली कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. ठीक, वो कौन सा मेंबर इज, दैट इज N. इफ इट इज द 6th member, N will be 6. If it is 3rd member, N will be 3. ठीक है, अगर आपने N पता है तो कैन वी कैलकुलेट 2n plus 2? Of course we can. Let's take an example. Let's take pentane. Pentane means 5th member. ये हमें याद हो चुका है. So let's form its, what is the formula? C. Which member is it? 5th member. So you'll write 5. अब इसमें हाइड्रोजन्स कितने होंगे? Here this is nothing but the n. These are nothing but the n's. Okay, तो अगर इसमें n 5 है तो हाइड्रोजन्स कितने होंगे? 2 into 5 10 plus 2 12. So this becomes the formula of pentane. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take heptane. So heptane means N is 7. Number of carbon atoms is 7. N stands for number of carbon atoms, or the which member of the family you're talking about. That is what is N. अब if you're talking about heptane, which member is it? It's the 7th member. So how many carbons will it have? It will have 7 carbons. How many hydrogens will it have? Let's see from here. Hydrogen is 2n plus 2, right? N is 7. So 7 is a 14 plus 2. C7H16. So this is how you make the formula of any alkane. Okay, now I am just writing down the formulas. You have to verify yourself कि are they all fitting into these general formula or not. Okay, you have to verify. We will verify one of them here. ये तो हो गया कि अगर हमें नाम पता हो तो उसका हम फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें फॉर्मूला लिखना आता है. इफ आई नो इट्स ईथेन, ईथ का मतलब सेकेंड मेंबर, तो C2 और H हो जाएंगे 2n plus 2. So 2 to the 4 plus 2. So this is what we've done right now. Is if we know the number of carbon atoms, or if we know the name, or if we know which member we are talking about, तो उसका हम फॉर्मूला कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, राइट? अब इसका रिवर्स भी तो हो सकता है क्वेश्चन. The question can be now a different thing, that they give us a formula C3 and H6. And they say, does it belong to the alkane family? There must be many families, no? Like in world, there's not only one Sharma family. There's Singh family, there's Gupta family, there's Agarwal family, there's this family, that family. So there's 1,000 types of families. So suppose the question asks, does it belong to alkane family or no? अब आप क्या करोगे? आप इसको टेस्ट करोगे whether it is fitting into this formula or no. According to this, N is this. N C के आगे जो लगा होता है वो नंबर होता है, या this is supposed to be the third member of some family. जिस भी का हो, चाहे वो alkane का हो या किसी भी और family का हो, this has to be third member. Why? Because it is C3. It's the third member, so N is equal to 3. If it belongs to alkane family, अगर हमें नहीं पता अभी, हमें क्या पता, अगर it belongs to alkane family तो हाइड्रोजन्स कितने होने चाहिए? 2n plus 2. तो carbons are 2, but hydrogens should be 2n plus 2, which if you calculate comes 8. So does it satisfy the alkane condition? Alkane condition क्या है कि जितने number of carbons हो उस हिसाब से number of hydrogens होने 2n+2. Here the number of hydrogens after calculation are coming to be 8. They should be 8, but this compound does not have 8 hydrogens. So it does not definitely belong to alkane family. It does not belong to ane family. It must be belonging to some other family that we'll figure out, but this does not belong to alkane family. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose it is C20 and H48. Okay, and we have to test whether it is alkane or no. What do we do? Same thing. Which member of this? अभी तो हमने 10 ही members किए हैं, हमें इसको नाम पता होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But this is the 20th member of the family, right? Because इसमें 20 carbon atoms हैं, so it is the 20th member. So can we write it is the 20th member? N is 20. If it is an alkane, if you want to test कि ये alkane है क्या, how many hydrogens do you expect it to have? Carbons is this 20. How many hydrogens do you expect to be there? 20 to the 40 and 2, you expect 42 hydrogens. If it is an alkane, it should have 20 carbons and 42 hydrogens. Is it the case? No, it is again not the case. So this is also not an alkane. But suppose you have C5H12. So you can see very clearly now, you can be quicker also. N is 5. 2n plus 2 will become 10 plus 2, 12. So this is definitely an alkane. So this is how they test us. Either they can give you a name and say कि उसका formula बताओ. They'll give you an alkane name and they'll say उसका formula बताओ. Or they can do the reverse. They'll give you a formula and they'll ask, does it belong to alkane family? Yeah, name the alkane. But if they ask the name, it will definitely belong to the first 10 members only. Because there are thousands of names, we can't remember all of them. We have to remember only 10 members of the family. I hope till here it is clear. Name, formula belonging to this proper family or no. Okay. If you think तो मैं पता नहीं कर सकती. I'm just assuming that you've understood this part, and hence we finish the first two things that we want to do in this episode. We know how to name the first 10 members, and we also know how to write their formulas. Yeah, what is their formula, and vice versa also. अगर हमें उसका formula पता है तो उसका नाम भी पता चलता है. Now comes mass. Okay, in very rough terms, I understand mass और weight अलग अलग चीज़ें होती हैं. Weight is mg, where g is 9.8 and all that. I understand, but just talking generally, we'll say mass and weight. I can use either words, okay, or I'll try to use mass only. Now, is there a way of calculating the mass of these compounds? Yes, there is a way. Do we know the mass of carbon? A simple carbon. We know that the mass of carbon is 12. We've studied this in previous classes. Do we know the mass of hydrogen? Yes, we know the mass of hydrogen is 1. You can say AMU or however. Okay. Now, is it very difficult to calculate the mass of CH4? I don't think so. Let's just remove the naming part and the general formula part. If the mass of each carbon is 12 and mass of each hydrogen is 1, how much will this add up to? 12 plus 4. This will be 16. The mass of methane will be 16. Now a magical thing will happen. And that magic is, between each there will be a gap of 12. Between each mass there will be a gap of 12. Mass of 12 AMU. Everywhere. Each of them. ये नहीं कि यहाँ से कूद के अब यहाँ पे आप जाओ और कह दो कि 12 का फर्क होएगा. No. We're talking about consecutive members, one after the other. Let's see, let's check. Can you see this thing? Right, now we can. Let's calculate for this. C2H6. C2H6. What does it become? C2 becomes 12 into 2, that's 24, and this is 6, and total makes it 30. Ah, my God, I was wrong. The difference between the masses of each of them is 14. I'm extremely sorry for that. So, okay, we'll verify once again to show that I am not wrong this time. Here we can see a difference of 14 AMU. Let's check here. We expect here also the difference of mass to be 14 AMU. Let's check C3H8. Okay, C3H8. So 12 3s are 36 plus 8, it is 44. Now do you believe me? I'm sorry to make myself. Anyways, so between 30 and 44 there is a mass difference of 14. So anywhere you calculate, and this is how you will calculate, the mass of each next member of the family will be 14 AMU more than the previous one. इसका इन दोनों में difference 14, इन दोनों में difference 14, इन दोनों में difference 14, like that. Each of them will have a mass difference of 14. Okay, so mass topic we have covered. Oh, formula में I missed out something. Let me finish that also. This mass thing, I'm sure you've understood. Formula में, there's one small little thing that we forgot. Cn H2n plus 2 तो कर ही लिया हमने, and how to make a formula. Like there's a difference of 14, 14, 14, 14 each. Can you see the difference in their formulas? Okay, let's check here. There's a difference of 1 carbon atom and a difference of 2 hydrogen atoms. Let's check here. Difference of 1 hydrogen atom, or 1 carbon atom, sorry, and a difference of 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is also fixed. This is also fixed that between successive, consecutive, whatever you want to call it, Between these, the formula difference is CH2. CH2. Each time the difference in the formula will be CH2 at every step. If you go from here to here, the formula will change by CH2. So suppose I ask you a question. I have a compound, where is it, dry? I have a compound here. I have a compound C15 and H32. First of all, let's check, is it alkane or no? Do it. NS15, H will be 15 to the 30 plus 2, 32. So yes, it is an alkane because it is satisfying the general formula CnH2n plus 2, right? It is satisfying this formula. Now the question is, what is the next member? What is the next member? All we have to do is add CH2 to it. Add CH2 to it. Add CH2 मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा नहीं देंगे C15 H32 CH2. No, we're not writing like that. एक C ऐड करना है, 15 का 16 बन गया, और 2 हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना है. What is the next member? Again add a CH2. That means 16 का 17 बन गया, 34 का 36 बन गया. You have to add 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon. पहले वाले में आपको ऐड करना है तो आपको नेक्स्ट मिल जाएगा. Okay. Now suppose I have a member C19. Oh my god, H40. Now I want a previous member for this compound. ये जहाँ पे भी है 19th member है, I want the previous member to this. What will I do? I will remove, if I am going upwards in the, upwards means coming to a smaller compound, I will reduce one CH2. Isn't it? So this will become C18, 1 carbon will be reduced and 2 hydrogens will be removed. That will make it C38. So this is how, this is what is the use or how that is asked. Ki the difference between consecutive alkanes in terms of their masses is 14, and in terms of their formula consecutive, the formula differs by CH2, CH2, CH2 each time. Okay, so now since we have finished the formula, let me just neaten it up, it's very untidy. We come to bonding. We are not doing bonding in detail in this episode, but yes, in subsequent episodes we will be doing bonding in detail. Bonding से हमें क्या समझ आता है? First of all, we are looking at covalent bonding. Okay, in this chapter of carbon compounds, we are only looking at covalent bonding. Covalent bonding means sharing of electrons. Okay, so we are looking at covalent bonding. And which is nothing but sharing of electrons. There are no ions involved. Okay, both of them, there is no transfer. It's not that carbon is giving it away its electron completely to hydrogen, या हाइड्रोजन अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन पूरा का पूरा या कार्बन को बस डोनेट कर दे रहा है. नहीं, कोई किसी को दे नहीं रहा है, वो बैठ के शेयर कर रहे हैं. दैट इज व्हाट इज कोवैलेंट बॉन्डिंग. We have a separate episode on covalent bonding. You may please go through it to register it. So here in these compounds, in alkanes in this family, every bond, चाहे वो कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में हो, चाहे कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच में हो, कहीं पे भी two atoms are joined. Wherever two atoms are joined, there will be covalent bonding, there will be sharing of electrons. One electron from each of them. It's called single bond. Single bond means what? This is what is important. Single. That if suppose this is some atom, maybe a carbon, and this is one hydrogen. My God, how can hydrogen be bigger than carbon? This is hydrogen. So this will also give one electron for sharing, and this will also give one electron for sharing. Each of them will give एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन देंगे. ये नहीं कि ये भी 3 दे रहा है, ये भी 3 दे रहा है, ये 2 दे रहा है, ये 1 दे रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. दोनों एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ही शेयरिंग में डालेंगे. ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज नोन एज सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्डिंग. ठीक है. तो जो एल्केन की फैमिली है, ये जो एन्स हैं सारे, दिस एंटायर एन फैमिली हैज सिंगल बॉन्ड्स. एवरीबडी गिव्स पिचेस इन, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है, दूसरा भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देता है, और वो आराम से दे स्टिक टुगेदर, दे स्टे टुगेदर. ठीक है. सो eventually we have finished with alkanes, and I am finishing with the episode also. Alkenes and alkynes will do in the B part, which will be much easier. बहुत आसान हो जाएगा वो समझना, because पूरा the basis is same, the basic concept is same. थोड़ा थोड़ा values change होने वाली हैं बस. Basic concept will remain same. So what are the heading, what are the points that we've learnt in this? If I draw a dirty line, sorry. So what are the things that we've learned from this? First of all, it is made of only carbon and hydrogen, right? Then its surname, or we should write suffix or last name, in case you want to be very clear. Last name has to be "-ane". It has to end in "-ane". See, "-ane". That's why alkane. Okay. Now they have covalent bonding between them. All of them share one electron. Then their general formula क्या था? मैं तो भूल गई. CnH2n+2. Right? कोई भी हमें बनाना हो, the general formula is CnH2n+2. They consecutively, मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में लिख रही हूँ. Is it low? Don't put a case on me कि इसके बीच में CH2 का फर्क तो नहीं है. I'm writing in very short, consecutively. The difference is CH2 between consecutive members. Difference in formula, I should say. Between consecutive, I'm just being lazy in writing consecutive. Okay, difference in mass is 14 mu. What else did we study? This list is already here. First member is Smith, 8th member is opt. Did we do anything else? Mass, formula, name, and one. So I hope alkenes, the family of alkenes is clear. And if alkenes is clear, in episode B, where we will do alkenes and alkynes, it will take half the time to understand them, because it is absolutely on the same lines. It's also a family, it also has a difference of mass, this, that. Okay? All the best.